Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a vanity tour. It's not really that exciting. I'm just going to be showing you everything that's in and on my vanity and how I store things, which isn't anything special. So like, don't get too excited about it. But I did an Instagram poll a couple weeks ago about it, and a lot of people voted for me to do this. So I'm just gonna show you, and yeah, I hope everyone enjoys it, and let's get into it. Welcome to my vanity tour. So this is my vanity. My dad built it for me. These drawers right here are from IKEA, these two drawers, but my dad built the rest for me, the tabletop and the mirror and everything. So this is where I get ready every day. I'm gonna start off with the top of my vanity, and then I'll get into the drawers. So over here I just keep my facial sprays and things that I use every day. These are my special hair supplements that make my hair grow, and these are just my skincare products. I keep my Clinique lotion that I use every day, my Q-tips, my cotton rounds. These are all my liquid lips. My other lipsticks are in my drawers, but these are the ones that I like to keep out. These are all ColourPop, and then there's just some random ones in there. All my liquid lipsticks are mostly ColourPop. These are all of my brushes. So I have brushes from everywhere, and I have a lot of them, so I'm not going to go through all of them obviously, but they're mostly from Morphe, Ipsy bags. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So then over here we have the K-Polish selection. So this is Kathleen's Dream Team Lip Bundle, Desi x Katy Dose of Colors lipstick in no shade. And these are all of my K-Polish collection, and I'm missing one because Elizabeth stole it. So she better give me that back. I'm pretty sure it is Wishbone. Yeah. So this is a candle from Bath & Body Works. I love them. This is from Marshalls, I think, and so is that one over there. I got this plant thingy from Home Goods, and I got these flowers from Home Goods as well. These lights in the background, Kathleen Lights actually told me where she got them, and they're from Amazon. This little thing over here, I know this isn't part of my vanity, but this is part of where I get ready. So my friend Rachel made for me. She's amazing and I love her. And this is an Ariana Grande poster. So now we're gonna get into it. These are all of my eyeshadow palettes. I'm not gonna go through all of them. And my beauty blenders are in here because I have nowhere else to put them. So we just have my eyeshadow palettes all in here, Morphe palettes, C palettes, Lorac Mega Pro 3, Morphe x Kathleen Lights, a Juvia's Place palette. Yeah, so those are all my eyeshadow palettes. Then in here I have all my littler eyeshadow palettes and my single shadows. So these are all ColourPop Super Shock shadows, and these are all MAC single shadows. And these two are NARS, and these are the Balm Cosmetics from my Ipsy bag. In the third drawer, these are all lip products that I had nowhere to put them, so they're just shoved into this thing. And in here we have primers, foundations, concealers, any type of face product that is liquid is in here. That's not very exciting. In here we have my hair dryer, my straightener, and all of my magical hair products. And the last drawer is literally junk. along with the other lash drawer. So this isn't very exciting. This is all, you know, those like little things you get in your Ipsy bag. If anyone has Ipsy, they're just little sample things. Like this is all filled with them basically. And then just contact solution, deodorant, lotion, perfume. This is also junk. Just junk that I couldn't fit anywhere else. So that's pretty pointless. Here are all of my face products that aren't liquids. These are face powders, bronzers, blushes, highlighters. Back here are the palettes, and up here are like the, you know, single ones. These are my ColourPop Super Shock Cheeks, and then these are just some single little ones back here that I've gotten in Ipsy bags. And these, by the way, I forgot to mention, are ice cube trays, and they are perfect for ColourPop Super Shock Shadows and Cheek. They are amazing, literally amazing. Best storage ever. Okay, as you guys can tell, I'm not very organized. Like everything is in its place, but it's honestly just all jumbled together. So back here are my contacts and just some random shiz. In here we have some more lip products. Don't know why they're over here, but they are. This is some nail stuff just because I have nowhere to put anything, so it's over here. But here in this little cubby thing, we have eyeliners, we have brow products, we have little tweezer tools in here. We have more eyeliners and mascaras and pots and stuff like that. We have liquid shadows and primers in here, and this is full of mascaras. In the second drawer, these are all eyelashes and some random beauty blenders. And this is what I use to wash my brushes and my beauty blenders. It is amazing. You get it at Sephora. I have no idea how much it costs though. And also, these are like really torn up, but these are my favorite eyelashes of all time. Eylure Luxe Baroque. Beautiful, amazing. Everyone needs a pair. Okay, and finally, the last drawer is all of my skincare stuff. So this looks pretty jumbled, as every other drawer does. This is some Dermalogica. These are my, before I got my Clinique lotion that I love, these are my main moisturizers. I absolutely love the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is the Belif True Cream Aqua Bomb. It is absolutely amazing, so freaking moisturizing, but like it's so expensive and I can't, it's not that expensive, but it's like $30, and I run out of it way too quick. Oh my god, I can't talk. I run out of it way too quickly, and I just can't afford to keep buying it. So these are my makeup wipes. These are my sheet masks. I love them. These are some more sheet masks. And this lovely bin is literally filled with all Ipsy samples that I've received. All of them. I love Ipsy, but like I don't use half the stuff I get. So that's that. That is all skincare. If you have any questions about where I got something and I didn't include it in this video, just drop it in the comments and I will respond to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully. Bye!